Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nalfi Zuliani. In this occasion, I would like to present my paper. The title is We Do Unit Method, Ideas of Teaching Era in Revolution 4.0. We start from the background of the problem. Nowadays is the era of Revolution 4.0. The basic of this era is digitalization. So all of the areas in human life it's brought of the changes between the old system is the conventional one into the new system is digitalization based. No exception in the field of education. In the field of education, this digitalization is able to help the teacher in smoothing of the learning and teaching process. In this era, in various areas of human life, it is expected there is a change into the old education system into the new one of the uh, digitalization system. The success of an education in facing the era revolution 4.0 is also determined by the teacher because a teacher plays important role in carrying out the education process in the field of education. As a teacher, uh, we should show our readiness in the facing of this era. Teachers should have many skills and abilities in using various technology to help the teacher in uh, during learning and teaching process. So we can use all of the support system of digitalization to help us in during teaching and learning process. So as a teacher, we should adapt all of the technology to increase our abilities in teaching in this era. Uh, so based on the problem above, the purpose of this study is to present any ideas in teaching in this era in order to help the teacher maximize themselves in teaching in this era. The method of this study is literature studies. Literature studies, it means the data collection techniques is by conducting from the books, journal, and other resources in order to find out the information to based on the purpose of the study. So here, the researcher used journal as the source of data in this study. The finding that in this research, the first is ideas of teaching in Revolution 4.0. Here, the researcher find the any ideas of teaching in Revolution 4.0. The first one is student center. The development of in learning process. Uh, this this kind of the approach is the student as the center of the learning process and the teacher as the learning facilitator. And for the second, contextual learning. The learning material must be connected to the students' daily lives. The teacher develop the learning strategies that modify the students to attack the importance of the work. Uh, in this contextual learning, the teacher must try to prepare the students to responsibles of the citizen. So the learning should be able to facilitate the students to be involved in their social environment. And for the collaborative learning, a student should be educated, be ready to collaborate with others, collaborate with people and these people around them. In exploring the information and building the meaning, the students got inspired to be able to collaborate with their friends and others in their environment. So it can help them to increase their skill and strengthen their ability to collaborate with other in their daily life. And the fourth of the ideas of teaching in the revolution is the technology based. As the characteristic of this era, uh, we should are uh, we should are familiar with this technology because the technology is the basic system of the education. Here, the teacher and students are able to use the various technologies such as the support learning platform and such as Google Classroom, Ruang Guru, and others. So the fourth ideas here is the basic that should be able by the teacher and the students in facing the ideas, the facing the era of this revolution. And for the skills that teachers need to face in the era of revolution 4.0, the first is friendly with the technology. As the characteristic of this era is the digitalization system. So all of the educators and also the students should be able and should familiar with technology. And for the second is the collaboration. The optimum result are the thought to the attain if done on the individual basis while not collaborating with others. Therefore, the teacher should have a powerful disposition to collaborate and learn with the and or from the others. This talent is crucial for the teacher because this collaboration can help the teacher while teaching in this era. The third is the creative and taking the risk. Creativity is one of the amounts of ability required by the teacher. Educator have to be compelled to the model of the creativity, and for the taking a risk, the teacher should face any risk in during teaching and learning process. And fourth is have a good sense of humor. Laughter and humor of the teacher is sometimes is the most frequently remembered by the student. It can help more in a relationship between the uh, relationship between the teacher and the students. And the last is teaching holistically. In numerous learning theories, we tend to acknowledge individual and the group of the learning. This teaching holistically, it's really impact in the learning and teaching process. Next is the online learning platform. Online learning platform is really crucial in this learning process because the online learning platform it's give for the teacher to use this kind of platform to help them in smoothing their learning process. The first is a flipped classroom. The flipped classroom may be a learning model that refers ancient method. The idea of flipped classroom includes active learning. Here, the students involve the learning process, uh, and also this learning section is used the cluster discussion and dealing the assignment. Here is are useful for the teachers. And the second is integrating social media. Teacher also can use any social media to help them in teaching learning process, such as WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, and also Skype. And the third is Khan Academy. Khan Academy is the free website wherever the student will access 1,000 of educational videos. And for the fourth is project-based learning. Project-based learning is the model the implemented by the teacher in learning process with the project as the basic of this approach. Uh, the five is Moodle. Moodle is the course management system that offers academic choice to send assignment, lectures, videos, and more. So here students can act with the one another through discussion forums and personal message and others. The sixth is Schoology blended learning. Based on this, Schoology will be an answer to overcome the educational method that needs several theories. Blended learning supported the Schoology is learning that makes face-to-face learning with the online learning. And the last is Plateau Academy. Plateau Academy is one of the website of the learning choices outside the traditional school domain. Uh, it's also used in the undergraduate system. Next is the conclusion. So the conclusion of this research is as the characteristic of the revolution era 4.0 is the digitalization. So as a teacher, we should are able to use many various technologies to help us in smoothing our learning, teaching and learning process. And there are several platform that can we use as the technology best to help us in teaching and learning process. And there are several skills that we should have in facing the era of revolution 4.0. Thank you. That's all the presentation for me. I'm sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.